In this video, I will show how to add friend on Steam. So open Steam. So firstly, open Steam. Then here click on Friends. Here is the option Add a friend. Click on it. Now once you online, you can search. Now here search username and add it. This is the way you can add a friend. Just click on friends, then add a friend. Now here search username. Then you will see the option add. For any reason my account not meet the requirements to use this feature, but almost guys you will using this Steam, so you will see the feature. And if you are facing this error like me, so check out my description video to resolve this error. So thanks for watching.